This mouth-watering Sri Lankan biryani merges the flavors of India with a gorgeous twist from the land down under. The most delectable biryani comes together when you combine various elements. And our first element will be caramelized onions. In a large skillet, melt some ghee over medium heat. Add to this some onions which have been thinly sliced. Stir occasionally and cook until they soften and turn golden brown. This should take about 20 to 25 minutes. Once done, keep them aside. Meanwhile, soak washed basmati rice in cold water for about 30 minutes. In a separate bowl, add a few strands of saffron and soak it in warm water. On to the spices. This unique mixture is what gives this biryani its signature Sri Lankan taste. Combine some fragrant cardamom, some vibrant coriander seeds, spicy black peppercorns, warm cloves, and some sweet cinnamon. Grind these into a coarse powder. Once ground, add the masala to some yogurt along with some chili powder, turmeric, and some salt. We will use this mixture to marinate the chicken. The best part of making a biryani is infusing all the flavors into the meat. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight if time permits. Now let's get to cooking. In a large pot, heat some ghee over medium-high heat. Add some bay leaves, a few pods of cardamom, some cinnamon, and a few cloves, and cook until the fragrance of spices wafts through your kitchen. Add in the marinated chicken and let it cook for 5 minutes before adding in some chunky potatoes, tomatoes, half of your caramelized onions, and some salt. Stir occasionally and cook until the mixture turns saucy and delicious and until the potatoes soften. This should take about 15 minutes. While it cooks, add some yogurt to your now drained rice. This makes the rice more tender. Now add it to the semi-cooked chicken. Then add some of your saffron water. Mix it well so everything is combined. Now add just enough water to barely cover the rice. Cover it and let this cook on a low heat and stir occasionally to keep the rice from sticking to the bottom. We'll now prep the final optional step of this recipe. Heat a generous amount of ghee in a saucepan and add some cardamom pods, some cloves, and a pinch of salt. Let the ghee infuse with the spices for a few minutes. When the rice is fluffy and the potatoes and meat are tender, you know your biryani is ready. Turn off the heat and add the spiced ghee before serving. Garnish with some fresh coriander and plate it up with a light raita. Top it off with some boiled eggs and add in the rest of your caramelized onions. Now your biryani is ready to serve. All the hard work is worth it when you take that first bite of this fragrant Sri Lankan biryani. Serve it hot and make it a family affair. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.